Here I have UMIDIGI Power, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can manage sounds and vibrations that will be allowed during the Not Disturb mode. Be alarms, media, touch sounds. You can also block notifications here. For example, you can block sound notifications, you can block visual or sound notifications. You can also customize restrictions here for yourself. You can also add exceptions for this mode, for example, exceptions for calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or from nobody. Here you can star contacts. There's also an option allow repeat callers if the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period. The same goes to messages. Also, you can add reminders and events to the exceptions. Here you can set default duration for this mode, and you can also set it to turn off automatically, which is basically just a schedule for the Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.